Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 40 NxtPaper, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, which is most likely located in a Google folder. It is for me at least. In here, we're going to navigate to Fix and Manage, and then you want to select, I believe it's going to be Manage SIM. Yep, there we go. So once you select Manage SIM, it will then show you all the contacts that are located on SIM card. Now, it will attempt to select all of them as long as these contacts don't already exist in the location where you will be importing them to. For me, all of these contacts actually exist on the Google account, so it automatically deselects all of them and I can't select them. Anyway, I could change it to, for instance, this device, which would automatically allow me to import basically all of them. And obviously, you do have the option to change the location, so if you have more than one Google account signed in, you can tap on this drop-down and select it from the list. I only have one Google account, and the other option is obviously the device. Now, you can also deselect contacts that you don't want, and once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, click on Import, and this will import all selected contacts. So when we now go back to our contacts list, Google, you don't need to know everything. Anyway, once we go back, we will be able now to switch to another location. So by default, it's trying to pull contacts from the Google account. We can tap on our icon for the Google account and select Device, which will then display the contacts that I have imported to the device. And those are all of them. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.